Alright, hello everyone. My name's Stacy. This is my 2008 Stratoliner S. Previous owner converted to a deluxe, did an excellent job, all Yamaha parts. I've had this bike since mid-January of this year and I've loved every minute of it. So I posted the other day about my jack setup, which includes two automotive drive-up ramps and one homemade kickstand block. And while, there was some pushback for whatever reason, no worries. There did seem to be a common thread about it seeming like it would not be stable or too much trouble getting up and down onto the lifts. So I thought I'd do a short little video. And hopefully this will show you guys that it's really not that bad. So I've already got one of the center jack stands lifts and positioned under the bike so that it lifts both the front and rear wheel off fairly equally. It takes a couple tries really to get the balance right. Once you get the balance right, there's really nothing to it. And there we go. Just like that. And that is stable. That is completely off. As you can see, I can rock this thing just as if it were on the ground. This block is not going to move. She's ready to be worked on. Plenty of room underneath. Especially, for example, if you want to adjust your rear suspension, adjust the preload on that. Getting, especially an aftermarket wrench under there, can be a real bear and very time consuming. Lift it up like this, you got plenty of room, full range of motion, whatever wrenches you want to use. So anyway, that's my story. Hope you all enjoy. Thanks.